Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can fix Discord fatal JavaScript error. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to delete the Discord application and reinstall again. Okay, and you need to download the latest update version. So once you download that, might be your issue will be resolved. But if this not work for you, this issue happened due to in some cases due to antivirus, so you simply need to disable your antivirus for that. And the other method is that you simply need to remove all the Discord app data, and might be that work for you. But if it's that this thing not work for you, you simply need to come on to the Google and search for Discord update, and you need to download the latest version of Discord that is released soon in couple of days, and might be this help for you and your issue will be resolved. So these are the methods that I share you with you that you can try, and might be your issue will be resolved. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.